How to use Free Download Manager on Android. Free Download Manager is the best for Android when it comes to downloading large files from the internet. It speeds up downloads and resumes paused downloads without breakdown. Open FDM. This is the interface. This paused files have been here for weeks. None of them broke down, and I can as well resume them by simply clicking on the play button. You can see after weeks my file is still downloading perfectly. So, why not subscribe, like and share this video while I walk you through. If you already have the FDM application, do this. But if you don't, the end of this video shows how to get it. Go to the file you want to download from your browser. Next, you should copy the download link. When you're done copying, you should navigate back to FDM application. Here now, I want you to click on the plus icon below. The download link will paste automatically. If it doesn't, then you probably didn't copy, or you should try pasting manually. After pasting the URL, next you should click on OK. You should select the file directory or leave default. I'd leave mine default. You can as well change file name or leave default. After every necessary setup, next click on Download. You can see the speed. You can as well pause and resume downloads, and it won't affect it. Now let me show you how to get this free download manager on your Android if you don't have the application.
Open Play Store.
Tap on the search below. On the Search Apps and Games bar, tap there and type FDM. This is the FDM application. In your case, you should see a button which says Install. Click on it. Please subscribe, like, share and comment below if this video was what you were looking for.